I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss inserting shapes, symbols and special characters in Word. It is a big session, that's why we are going to discuss first inserting symbol. In this, as you can see in Microsoft Office, first we have to open a Microsoft Word document, and in that we have to double click a Microsoft Word file or open Microsoft Word and then select the file from the home page. Doing so will open the last save version of the file. After that, we have to place our cursor where you want to insert the symbol and click. This will set that location as the point at which your symbol will be inserted. Now click the Insert tab. It is the upper left side of a blue ribbon that is at the top of the Word window. As you can see in this figure, after the Home tab in the ribbon there is a Insert. We have to click on the Insert tab. When we click on the Insert tab, after that we have to click on Symbol. This option is on the far right side of the Insert toolbar. Doing so prompts a drop-down menu. After clicking a symbol, a drop-down menu will appear. On this, we have to click on More Symbols. Click More Symbols. It's at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This opens the symbol pop-up windows. If you see the symbol you want in the drop-down menu, click it instead to insert it immediately. Select a symbol to insert. Simply click a symbol to select it. You can scroll through the available symbols by clicking the upper or lower arrows on the right side of the symbol windows. You can also click the Special Character tab at the top of the symbol window to browse additional characters. As you can see, there is a lots of symbol present which is not present on the keyboard. From this, we are able to insert that particular symbol in our document with the help of symbol. Click Insert. This button is at the bottom of the symbol window. Doing this will insert the selected symbol at the cursor point. You can repeat this process with as many symbols as you like. As you can see in this figure, after selecting any particular symbol, we have to click Insert and that particular symbol is now appeared in our window documents. After inserting symbol, we have to click on Close. It is at the bottom of the symbol window. Your symbol will remain in the Microsoft Word document. Now, how do I add shapes? Shapes can help you make diagram, chart or sketch. To add shapes, click the More option icon in the top left corner of the document window. Go to the Insert tab. In Insert tab, we have to now click the under Picture and Tables. Click Shapes. Select the shape you want from the list. You can create shapes by selecting the Custom Shapes option from the list. Click where you want to insert the shape. Drag the cursor and adjust the size. Let go when you are done. As you can see in this figure, we can select a multiple shapes from the figure and we can insert that shape in our Microsoft Word document, and we can customize the size of the shapes also.